Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. The topic that we will discuss today it is Introduction to Minerals and Ores. As in previous lesson, we have already learned the process of metallurgy, and in metallurgy, we have learned this is a process in which the metal is being extracted from its ores. Now here we will discuss that what is ores and the metal that we extracted. It also contains some minerals along with it. So we will discuss the minerals and the ores over there. So, to know the minerals and ores, it is basically very important to understand the many metallurgical operations. And metallurgical operations are the methods by which the metal is being extracted from its ores. So here we will discuss the minerals and ores in detail. First one is mineral. So basically a mineral is a solid material that is formed by the nature in or on the earth crust. So here we have the earth crust. The mineral may be present on and it may be present in the earth crust surface. It depends upon the basically type of the mineral and it is the solid material. Now, what are the properties of the minerals? This material that has the crystal form structure, that material that has its own set of the properties, and that material that is not formed by the living things, it is basically present in the nature. It is known as the mineral. Here we have the example of quartz, we have talc, we have calcite, we have mica, feldspar, graphite, and the pyrite. All are the basically minerals. So, by definition, the minerals is the majority of the metals that are found in combined form. The metals that are found in combined form, they have their definite chemical composition. And when they have their definite chemical composition, so all the naturally occurring metallic compounds are known as the minerals. Basically, these are the naturally occurring metallic compounds. All the metallic compounds that are present in nature, that occurred in nature, these are known as basically the minerals. And we have different types of minerals, likewise quartz, talc, mica, graphite, pyrite, and the feldspar. So the solid natural material that is found in or on the earth's surface, and it contains different compounds of the metals that are in the combined state along with the earth's impurity. This is known as the mineral. Then we have the second form. This is called as an ore. Now, what is ore? Basically, the rock that contain enough material to be mined for the profit is known as the ore. The rock which is having the percentage of the minerals and it can be mined for the profit, it is known as the ore. Or the second definition of the ore that we have, it is basically an aggregate of the mineral, that is the metallic compound, along with the impurities. The mineral with the impurities, it is basically known as an ore. And here we have the different examples of the ore. Iron ore, its name is hematite, and the magnetite. Here the hematite, it is an ore of iron, along with the copper ore, which is the pyrite, and the second is bornite. Then we have the zinc ore. Basically, zinc is present in three ores. The first one is ferrite, the zinc blende, which is zinc sulfide, and we have the calamine. It is also the ore of the zinc. So these are the simple ores which are containing the minerals along with some rock impurities in it. These minerals are being extracted and they are being purified for the prospers of the living organism, and then it is further used for the production of the different types of the materials that can be used further. So this was the ore. Then we have the gangue. Now what does mean by the gangue? Basically, gangue are the earthly and the other impurities that are associated with the minerals. These are associated with the minerals and are known as the gangue. So all the earthly materials. Now what type of the gangue may be present here? The number one we have, it may be the sand, it may be the rock, it may be the clay, or it may be the other impurities that are attached with the ores. All these impurities are basically known as the gangue, and they are being separated from the ores, and then the ores are purified, or the metal is being extracted, and the method that we use for the extraction, this is known as basically metallurgy process. And in this method, the metals that we use, it is almost 99.9% pure and can be used in the market or in the industries for further production. So this was all about today's lecture. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in a comment section. The next topic that we will discuss, it is the occurrence of metals, that where does the metals can be present. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.